Hello friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a really nice truck. This is a 2024 GMC Sierra Denali 2500. This is the HD. We got this on trade. Very nice truck, 25,500 miles. This truck does have the Denali Reserve package, technology package. So it's got adaptive cruise control. It's got the multicolor heads-up display. It's got the surround view camera, front camera, side camera, rear camera, hitch camera, bed camera. It's got all the cameras. It does also have the fifth wheel package right there. It's 4x4, of course. Most of all, and most importantly, this is the 6.6 liter V8 gas motor. So this is not the diesel, it's the gas engine. So these are a little bit harder to find. Very nice truck. Take a look inside. It's a non-smoker. It is a one owner as well. Got the boards down here. Bose sound system. See our heads-up display there. Adaptive cruise control, four-wheel drive. It's got a sunroof. That's an option. Very nice seats. No wear on the center console. Heated and cooled seats right there. There's your big screen. Got 2 keys for this one. Got all the books as well. Take a quick look back here in the back. Very nice and clean back here as well. This truck was well taken care of. Sticker was a little over 80,000 on this one. Should be a picture of that in the gallery. Clean Carfax also. No paint work, no accidents, good tires, all terrains. Really nice truck, black on black. Again, it's the gas motor Denali with the reserve package, 25,500 miles. We can ship this truck to you anywhere. Can do deals long distance. If you have a financing lender you want to use, that's fine with us. You can also reach financing through our website, rogersmotorcars.com. Chrome wheels. Hitch back here looks good. So give us a call, text, email. Be happy to answer any questions. If you want additional pictures or videos, just have to ask. Hope to hear from you soon on this one. Subscribe to the channel. We do walk around videos on everything we sell. We also post shorts, video shorts on YouTube of projects we're working on, things coming in the pipeline, stuff we're getting ready to put on the internet, so you get a little heads up there. But we'd love for you to subscribe. We're also on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. Thanks for watching.